morning, everyone. So we just took this 91 bus and we stopped off at a stop called San. You can also take these buses to get to Jiangnanshu. So after you get off the bus, just walk to the front a bit and you'll see the sign and go into the village. So when you walk past this pavilion, keep going to the front. We saw this Wilson trail. We're going to keep following it. So you will walk past this farm, and this is the starting point. We are here. So when you first start this hike, you will see those stairs, and it's actually just a 7-minute walk. We are now walking on some flat roads. So after around 24 minutes of going down, and there are some rocks on the roads like this. So now we are starting to go up again. Actually this morning I think it was like 24 degrees, but the sun was shining in our faces, and luckily this whole trail, there are trees around us which block the sun. Actually I kind of saved this trail to do in the summer because I know they have loads of trees in this trail. So this is a good summer hiking trail. This is Wilson section 4. Okay, I reckon it was around a 5-minute walk from there, and you will see the sign, and that is actually the cycle Gudo. I don't know if you remember from this vlog. So follow the Wilson trail to Hochong and you won't get lost. So you will walk past this house, and these roads are all going down. You will see the sign, so keep following the Hochong. And it is now 9:49 a.m. and we started at 8:57 a.m. So actually we walk quite fast. So when you see that trail go in, the people in front of us said that this will be an hour of hiking up. So this is the Basa one, and we are now on W38, and the guy said that after 2 more signs, so W40, we will reach the top. So it's now 11 a.m. and starting from these roads, they are all kind of like not stairs. We are now on W39. That means there's one more until we get to the top, and people are starting to come down. So, yeah. When you reach this sign, you can go over there. Apparently that is a rock that looks like a rabbit. I think it's this one. Yeah. So when you reach these signs, you will have arrived at Tung Yeung Shan, and then you can walk down here and here. But first I want to fly my drone here and tell you guys about Tung Yeung Shan. Tung Yeung Shan is part of the Wilson Trail Stage 4 on the western tip of Kowloon Ridge. Unexpectedly, it was also a silver grass heaven during the last 2 months of the year, which is supposed to be November and December. But when I went there, I don't think I saw any silver grasses, but it's already November the 12th. Tung Yeung Shan is at 533 meters. It is also close to Tate's Cairn, one of the peaks of the Kowloon Ridge. after about 10 minutes of walking down, you'll reach the car roads. So when you arrive to this area, be sure to turn up, and after around 10 minutes, that is where we came from. After about 10 minutes, you'll reach the observatory. So I'm going up to the viewing deck now. So this is the viewing point, and we can actually see Mount Parker over there, and Mount Butner. This sky, it's not that clear. You won't be able to see the mountains. So the Ocean viewing point is basically what we saw just now. We are now going back down to this Lion Pavilion. So my friend told me that some people will go down there to take a photo of this view. So that is what I'm gonna do now. So we are now going up to the Tung Yeung Shan Observatory. I've continuously walked for about 114 steps, and I realized I kept going. So now I'm gonna go back down. Okay, so I went further a bit, and I realized there are no more rooms, and this is just the office for the observatory. When you reach this Ocean Road, you need to turn right and then arrive at the Lion Pavilion. So we walked for about 10 minutes, and we are now gonna go down from there. So this is the CT, which is the end point of the Wilson Trail Section 4. And as you can see, I feel like it will rain, but I hope it rains at night. And we are gonna go there to have our lunch. So I ordered this tofu pho, shumai, and mian, and this jam, which is same as my friend's, but she just added some sugar from that restaurant.